May 15th, 2014. Guys, the sun's been quiet for the last 3 to 4 days, but now it's picked up. Things have changed. What you saw in that very fast flash was one of the largest CMEs that we've had in quite a while. I'm going to pull it up. Let's just look at the raw timestamp on this thing. Now check this out. Look at the arc of energy that burst. Now, because this is not directly Earth-facing does not mean it is not going to give us problems. That is so much energy that it's going to radiate out, guys, 180 degrees. That is so much larger than the Earth. Now, let's just kind of frame it one more. Look at the expansion. And this thing was uniform from the beginning through all of the frames of the explosion. And that energy is headed towards Earth. The 245 megahertz signal on the upper radio bands was knocked out twice as this happened. Now you can kind of see it here in the bottom left, but what this image picks up is the flare. This is not an X flare, anything near it, but it's adding to the electrical pulse that's headed to Earth. But guys, the CME is the problem. Now let's go back to the 12th. Now, as we go through the timestamp, keep in mind you've got a couple of days of impact from a coronal mass ejection, even though you'll see the pulse effects, and we could see some quake activity start to pick up right away. Notice this. Let's back this out. It's into the 16th because of universal time. As I'm doing the video, it's 11:36 p.m. Central on the 15th. But notice our timestamp. This is a lot of energy. Look at that. Tremendous. So we're going to have to watch it. I definitely say we're going to have to do a quake watch. We'll have to do a CME track on this. It's going to show the burst go out the left side. But you're going to see the protons, the electrons on our ACE satellite start to pick up. You're going to see the GOES proton flux change. We'll update it in the morning. Heads up, be safe.